This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken pool unlock and fish. First, let's prepare. You'll need to ensure your fishing level is at least 50. Gather your strongest rod and reel, capable of handling large catches. Also, stock up on premium bait, as this significantly increases your chances of attracting the elusive Kraken. Knowing the right spots is crucial for an efficient hunt. Now, let's talk about the actual fishing. Equip a heavy-duty fishing line, ideally with a strength of at least 50 pounds, to prevent snapping. Your hook should be large and sturdy. A size 10 or even larger works best. Cast your line into the deepest parts of the ocean, typically areas at least 100 feet deep. Patience is key here, as the Kraken doesn't appear often. When you finally get a bite, it will be unmistakable. Expect a powerful, sustained tug on your line, far stronger than any other fish. This is your Kraken. Begin reeling it in carefully, managing your line tension to avoid breakage. It's a challenging fight, so stay focused and adjust your technique as needed. Don't rush it. A steady hand will secure your prize. Congratulations! Once you've successfully reeled in and landed the magnificent Kraken, the game will automatically recognize your incredible achievement. This immediately unlocks the exclusive Kraken pool for you. This new area offers unique fishing opportunities, rare fish, and special rewards. Dive in and explore the depths of your new fishing grounds, enjoying the fruits of your persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.